In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to display multiple time zones in Google Calendar. This is a super handy feature, especially if you're frequently coordinating with people across different time zones. Having multiple time zones visible in your calendar can make scheduling a breeze by helping you avoid the hassle of manually calculating time differences. Let's get started and walk through this process together, step by step, ensuring that all who attend your meetings are right on time, no matter where they are. First, open your web browser and navigate to Google Calendar. You can do this by typing calendar.google.com into your address bar and pressing enter, or simply search for Google Calendar if you're not already signed in. Make sure you're logged into the Google account you use for scheduling. Once you're on the calendar page, look towards the upper right corner of your screen. You'll see a gear icon. This represents your settings. Click on this gear icon and a drop-down menu will appear. You need to select Settings from this menu. It's where we'll be configuring our time zones. Now that you're in the Settings menu, look at the left-hand side. You'll see a section labeled General. It's important to navigate here because this is where we'll find all the options related to time management. Under General, search for the Time Zone section. This is the key area where you can adjust the time zone settings. In the time zone section, you should see a checkbox option that says Display Secondary Time Zone. Go ahead and click this checkbox. Once you check it, another drop-down menu will pop up, allowing you to select an additional time zone. This is where you choose the secondary time zone you'd like to display. Simply click on the drop-down menu and scroll until you find the time zone that you need. Choose the one that corresponds to the area you frequently communicate with or travel to. Remember, once you've selected your secondary time zone, there's no need to hunt for a save button. Google Calendar is perfect in that it automatically saves any changes you make, so your new settings will take effect immediately. You should now notice the additional time zone displaying on your calendar interface. Having this extra information at your fingertips can be a big relief, giving you a clear view of what time it is in different regions across the globe. And there you have it. Displaying multiple time zones is now a piece of cake and can really help streamline your scheduling efforts. Whether for business or personal use, having those times clearly listed can save you a lot of back and forth conversions and above all, ensure you and your contacts always stay in sync. Thank you for joining today's tutorial and happy scheduling.